So in this video, we're gonna see how we can perform the parenthesis matching of one expression with the help of the stack data structure. So suppose we have one expression a plus b plus b plus c. Now in this expression, let's just see if for every opening parenthesis we have closing parenthesis or not. So we're gonna check if the parenthesis of the expression is balanced or not. For that purpose, we're gonna use one stack. So here is the algorithm for the parenthesis matching. So first of all, in the stack, we're gonna initialize the top pointer, which will point to -1. And then we're gonna traverse the whole expression from beginning to the end. And whenever we found any opening parenthesis, curly braces or the bracket, we're gonna push that bracket into our stack. But if we found any closing brackets, in that case, we're gonna check if our stack is empty. That means the brackets are not balanced in our expression. So that is in case our stack is empty. But suppose the stack is not empty. So in that case, we're gonna pop the top item from the stack and we're gonna perform the match. So if the top item and the closing bracket, so we're gonna check if they match or not. So if they do not match, that means that is not balanced. Now after the traversal of the whole list, if we found that the stack is empty, in that case we're gonna say the expression is balanced. Otherwise we're gonna say it is not balanced. So let's just see how that works for this expression. So we need one stack and also we need to initialize the top pointer, which will initially point to -1. Now we have to traverse the whole list. So we're gonna start from the beginning. So first of all, we are encountering this opening parenthesis. So that means we're gonna push this into our stack. And our top pointer will point to this pushed element. So we are done with that parenthesis. Now we are getting another opening parenthesis. So also we're gonna push that into our stack. And the top will point to this newly pushed element. So every time we got one opening parenthesis, we're gonna just immediately push it into our stack. But whenever we encounter any closing parenthesis, in that case, first of all, we're gonna check if our stack is empty or not. So of course we have two elements in the stack, so the stack is not empty. So in that case, we're gonna pop the top element. That means we're gonna pop this element and then we're gonna perform the match. We're gonna check if both of them are matching or not. So you can see both of them are matching. So that means everything is alright. So we're gonna continue with the next parenthesis. So now our top will point to this element. And again we are encountering another opening parenthesis. So this will also be pushed into our stack and the top will point to this pushed element. And after that we are getting one closing parenthesis. We're gonna check if the stack is empty or not. And then if the stack is not empty, we're gonna pop the top element and we're gonna compare. So you can see they are matching. So that means everything is fine. So we're gonna continue with the next parenthesis. And now we're getting this closing parenthesis. So if we found any closing parenthesis, we're just going to pop the top element. That means we're gonna pop this element and we're gonna compare both of these brackets. So you can see that is matching. So that means everything is fine and our top is pointing to -1 because the stack is empty. So we are done traversing the whole expression. So after the expression, we're gonna check if the stack is empty or not. So you can see the stack is empty. So that means our expression is balanced. But suppose in a case we encounter another closing parenthesis. In that case, we have one closing parenthesis, but the stack is empty. So in that case, we're just gonna simply say the expression is not balanced. So here is the program. So first of all, we have defined one stack and the top pointer, which will initially point to -1. And after that, we have this push function. This will push one element onto our stack. And also we have this pop function. This will remove the top element of the stack and it will return the value. And here is the matching function. This function will take the opening and the closing parenthesis and the function will compare them. So if we have the opening parenthesis and the closing parenthesis, then we're gonna say they are matching. Or if we encounter the opening curly braces and the closing curly braces, in that case also we're gonna say the pairs are matching. Or we're getting the opening bracket and the closing bracket, in that case also we're gonna say the pairs are matching. So this function used to match two pairs. And here is our important function, which checks if the expression is balanced or not. So here in the expression, first of all, we're gonna reset our top pointer to -1, and then here we're gonna use one for loop to traverse the whole expression. So we're gonna start from 0 till the end of our expression, and then in each iteration we're gonna extract the character. So if the character is one opening parenthesis or opening curly braces or the opening bracket, in that case we're just gonna immediately push that character into our stack. Otherwise, if we found any closing parenthesis, closing curly braces or the closing square brackets, in that case first of all we're gonna check if the stack is empty or not. So if the top is pointing to -1, that means the stack is empty. So in that case we're gonna return 0. Otherwise we're gonna perform the match. So we're gonna pop the top element from the stack and we're gonna compare with the closing character that we have received. So we're gonna perform their match. If they are not matching, in that case also we're gonna say the expression is unbalanced. So this way our loop will continue to iterate. At the end of the expression, after traversing the expression, if we found that our stack is empty, that means the expression is balanced. So here is the main function. So here we are passing the expression. Now let's just see if that is balanced or not. So if we run this, so here it says it is balanced. The expression is balanced. So let's just add another bracket and let's see how that works. So now it is showing unbalanced. So our function is working properly. So this way, with the help of one stack data structure, we can easily perform the parenthesis matching. So hope you understand the concept. See you in the next one. Take care.